Hi, I'm now here in Elysia Hotel in Busan, and I'll show you a standard non-smoking double bed room with the beach view. So once you enter the door, you can see here the bathroom, and as you can see, there's a towel and tissue, and then there's a toilet. And here is the shower area, but the shower area walang cover here. So it's a wet type of shower room and toilet. And then as you can see here, the shower, two types, one on the above and one handheld. And let's see what's inside here in the cabinet. Wala siyang laman, pero mayroon siyang storage area. So the toiletries and amenities are not included. You have to pay. So the only one is here for free is the one piece of soap, and also 2 bottled water and heating kettle, electric kettle. So the shampoo, conditioner, the body wash is not included in the payment. So you have to pay extra 500 won each. So if you did not bring your shampoo and you want to purchase 500 won per small bottle of shampoo and conditioner and also toothbrush, yun lahat yun, there's an additional 500 won payment. And here we have the mirror, and then there's the sink here. And as I've said earlier, this is the soap, and then here we have some storage area here. And also there's a hair dryer included with electric kettle and facial tissue. And then standard outlet there. And we have a small refrigerator with 2 bottles of water and a trash can. So this is a budget hotel or a boutique hotel. That's why I kind of expected it na they cut down on some of the amenities. Hindi ko lang in-expect yung yung shampoo and conditioner, because most of the time, shampoo and conditioner is included, even for budget hotels. So here is the bed, and there's a table and chair, and let's look at the view. So nice! The beach view. That's the Haeundae beach. And there's a TV, and there's free Wi-Fi of course. And then yun, maliit na clothing rack lang. Breakfast is not included in the one that we purchased. So yun. But what I like about the Elysia Hotel is the location. It's right across the beach, and then when you go down, there's always the Gunam Road Street already, and there's lots of restaurants, cafes, bars in that street. So very nice location. So okay na rin naman sa akin. Yun. Just take note that you have to bring some of the toiletries if you don't want to pay. And that's it. I hope you like this video. Please give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to this channel. Bye-bye!